Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat-nav in this 2015 Volvo V70. So from any screen, it's on audio at the moment. In fact, I'm going to knock it off. No, I'm not. So we'll go to nav, click nav. Nothing's happening there. It doesn't tell me anything. Click nav again. Then we've got a screen, set address. Want to set address, click OK. There we go, highlight city, click city. And I'm going to put in a postcode. You see at the bottom there. So, there we go. Just turn this, it goes off the letters onto that menu at the side and onto postcode. Click OK. So that changes it, makes it easier. It is overcomplicated, this, it really is. So then we turn to the wheel here, and we're Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, High Walton, Preston. Defaulted to numbers, so we'll click numbers, click OK for numbers, and then we want 5, 4. It's gone back up here to ABC, click OK, and then what are we? EA. That's it. So it shows you what you've just typed in there. Click OK. Set single destination. Click OK. You've now got three routes. It's showing you the first one's 28 miles, second one's 33 mile. That's showing motorways. I'll click OK for route 1. Click OK.
Please follow the road for 3/4 of a mile.
That's it. That's how you set the sat-nav. Again, a little bit more complicated than you would think, but that's how you do it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.